Hi guys, in this video I will show you how I use ChatGPT and CodifyMate to create a sign-up page in React. So for some of you, you might just directly type your prompt, your instruction for ChatGPT, but to me, I will use this tool called CodifyMate, which is help me write a better prompt, transform my template into a very complete prompt. Let me show you. So you could use the default example templates, or you could use your own. I use this daily, so I create a lot of templates, as you can see right here. So I would choose this friend assistant template. I created for myself. You could create for yourself as well. Then let me make it bigger so you can see clearly. So for the React, so before we write this prompt, let me show you the very simple project I set out here. I already created a sign up page, and we also create a user sign up URL in Django. And yeah, and it's pretty much like this. Nothing here. Nothing is right here. Yeah. So, okay, let's go back to CodifyMate. So we're going to create a sign up page, not sign up page, sign up page in React in JS, and because I already installed Tailwind and Daisy UI, so I just keep it as default. And use case is where I describe a little bit more. So allow user sign up with username, email, password. Let me see. And confirmed password. How do I know? Because we create right here. Do you see here? So this I tested out earlier. So we should include 4 things here. And yeah, create sign up component only. I already have a React project. Yeah. And for the endpoint, we're going to use just this endpoint. Copy. For the request formatting, the body, the payload, we just copy right here. The JSON should be like this. And for the response formatting here, we should just copy and paste here. Yeah, let's review a little bit. Sign up, UI, use case, looking good. So last but not least, usually here you could choose and generate the code from scratch, which is without the existing code base, or with existing code base right here. So for this one, we just keep it simple without any existing code base. So give it CodifyMate a little bit time, then we'll transform. Do you see? I type a very simple little words here. It will transform into a very complete prompt that will help us generate very high quality code from any LLMs. Yeah, looking good. The quality score, everything looking good. React sign up page, looking good to me. Yeah, pretty detailed. See, they got the endpoint right, everything. Yeah, and then one more thing about this tool, they will also give you some like feedback. It's like what kind of additional information you could add back to your original, then we could refine again. But I'm pretty happy about the first interaction with CodifyMate. So I just copy this and go back to OpenAI and just paste. Do you see here? This prompt here is here. We just copy. So now we just submit, send it to OpenAI, and hopefully they will generate some nice component for us. And while we're waiting, let me tell you a little bit more about this tool, this CodifyMate. So originally I created this tool just for myself. So right now this tool, it's only invitation only, because I only share it with my friends and other developer friends. But if you guys watching this, if you're interested, just send me an email in this about page, here is my email. I will also include the URL of CodifyMate and also my email in the video description. So feel free to reach out to me, send me an email. I will share you the invitation code. Okay. So now let's go back to OpenAI. Yeah, sounds like it generated already. And let's take a look. Yeah, pretty complete. They have all the state. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try it out. Just one file, one page, one component here. So let's copy, go back to the editor. Yeah, I created this, as I say earlier, a sign up page right here. And we just copy and paste here. And looking good, no errors. And go to the, the URL. Okay, everything match. So which means after setting up in the app.js, we could go to sign up page, which could give us this page right here. Let's go back to the browser. Okay, looking good. I know the UI is a little bit off, but we could always twist a little bit. But right now, let's test out if the URL, everything, the functionality is working. It's 3 user 3, 2, 1 sign up. Just type some page right here. Yeah, the moment of the choose. Sign up failed. Let's put it out. What's going on here? Yeah. Failed to enter source. Okay, let's take a look what's going on. So after seeing this error, get, probably they choose the wrong, they use post, did they use get? So let me see. Where's handle submit? Yeah, they use the post. So actually, this is a very good opportunity. So what I gonna do at this point, right? I will send this error message. Let's do the error message here. I will send this error message and with more, context to ChatGPT here. Like I will say, let me see. Yeah, I will say get an error. Go back to ChatGPT. Got an error. Got error. Very good time to debugging together. Got an error. And usually, I think, from my experience, usually it's because of the formatting, so I will send it also the view, the function from Django here. See here, this is our endpoint. What I guess is probably the formatting here is a little bit off. It didn't give the Django what they're supposed to expecting the formatting here. So let's copy here. And yeah, just send it to again. So right now, it knows the frontend and also backend. See here, the key issue. Let me make it bigger. The key issue is the mismatch between the field name expect backend. So yeah, expecting here. Yeah, so here. So basically the name is wrong. So this user confirm, but we'll use this. So we have to update this part, fix this line here, and JSON body. Yeah. And we just copy this part. And let's find out this part first. Back to the code editor. and we just copy this part. See here, the name's right here, it's round. Yeah. And now after we change the name of the property, and which is the payload we'll send to the backend, it should work. Let's try it out. Go back to the browser. Let's try. Okay. Sign up successfully here. See the page? And what's the let's do it again. We didn't get an error. Let's do user 111 user 111 Gmail. Yeah. Yeah, we did again. And we can also go to the administration to check. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I think we just let me see let's create let me final check the if we go to here and what's going on here? Okay. So 111 here, we just created this. Yeah. So it's working. So this sign up page could directly create a account and to our database. So let's review what we did today. And first, we craft a very detailed prompt with this prompt engineering tool CodifyMate, and we send back to send this refined prompt to OpenAI and generate the first version. And after that, we get some error, and I copy the error back to the OpenAI. They tell us the name in the payload is round. Do you see here? And also, of course, I shared more context, which is the backend, how the backend expecting here. So, and we solved it, and we could create this. We created this a new user through this sign up page. And what do you think? What do you think about this workflow? And what do you think about, is that good for you? And if you, once again, if you're interested about CodifyMate, just send me an email, cjlowcode.gmail.com. Yeah, I would like to hear what's your feedback. What do you think about my workflow? This is exactly how every single day I just write the code, generate code, and debugging, interact with CodifyMate and OpenAI. I would like to hear your feedback. Yeah, I hope you guys find this video helpful, and hope you like it. And bye for now.